feature. We want to reimagine the artificial intelligence or AI office for someone growing their business. Stop thinking of AI as a tool you buy or a tool you subscribe to, and start thinking of AI as flows that produce business outcomes. So let's imagine a monthly rhythm for a growth business. For week 1, you want strategy and forecast. So AI produces updated 90-day revenue and cash scenarios. For week 2, you want content, and so AI creates the content calendar, the ads, and the outreach sequences. Week 3 is conversion optimization. So AI helps you to test copy, and that refines your lead scoring to show you where you got the highest response. Now, week 4 is operation and hiring. So you use AI to review your standard operating procedure, and it pulls candidates for you to review. So for an outcome-oriented checklist, you're going to use AI and make sure every subscription maps to at least one key performance index that it moves in your company. Every automation that you purchase must have an owner, and it must have a return on investment after 60 days. And then you're going to replace any AI subscription that is too much work, and you're going to have an integrated workflow, which is really one automation platform, and that flows into your business.